Hi, this is Professor Rajat Bandopadhyay. I am actually a visiting faculty at University of Mumbai, and I teach and I also teach at other colleges across Mumbai, including BMM colleges, including MBA colleges, and mostly I teach media and mass communication based subjects. Apart from that, I'm also a video game developer, and I currently own, as a co-founder, my company is known as Red Panda Transmedia. Today, students, I am here to talk about something that is very, very important for all of you, especially because most of the students, when they complete their 11th and 12th, they are very, very confused as to what they are going to do and where they are going to, which college they want to get into. This is a very, very challenging decision in your life because you really don't know what kind of stream you wish to get into. So here is a video. I'm trying to counsel you what kind of stream that actually, I cannot tell you what kind of stream will benefit you. I cannot tell you that. That is completely up to you, your experience, your focus, and your level of realization. I cannot comment anything on that over here. But I can tell you what kind of colleges that you want to look out for. What kind of colleges you should go for and get admissions into. You see, biggest mistake you will ever make is to getting into wrong colleges. If you don't get into the right colleges, you will not get the right kind of exposure, you will not meet the right kind of people, you will not get the right kind of professors. Yes, and mostly here in Mumbai, in the city of Mumbai, most of the colleges are money making rackets. They're only there to make money and give you textbook learning. They are not giving you any industry based learning. They are not teaching you any skills. They are not training you in any skills. They are learning business only on the basis of their infrastructure and their building. That's it. So avoid falling into the trap of such colleges. That is always my first suggestion. What kind of college you wish to get into? You should go into such a college which first of all has the infrastructure. For example, if you want to learn filmmaking, for filmmaking you should get into a college that has film studio, film video studio, sound studio. Yes, if you want to get into an animation course, if you want to get into a college of with a BSc degree in animation or any graduation degree in animation, you should go for a college that has a proper animation studio with computers where you can actually go and work, get practical hands-on training technically. Yes, so always choose a college that has the technical infrastructure where you can actually work with it. If you are getting into media and mass communication, always go for a college that has camera in it. They have got camera infrastructure, they have got camera, they have got video shooting, photography camera. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to go into a college where they will give you textbook learning. Don't do that. Try to go into a college where they have the proper appropriate infrastructure where you get training. Yes, that is one thing. And apart from that, as I told you, most of these colleges are business making bodies. Don't fall into the trap. There are so many colleges, they are charging very high amount of fees, but they are also giving you that services. I'll tell you, there are colleges, private colleges, they have got studio, they have got everything. They have got diploma courses, they have got certificate courses, they might even give you graduation courses, and they might also give you master's courses. Okay, the thing is, there are colleges, they charge you very good amount of fees. They charge you good amount of fees, that is very true, but the catch is that they also give you training and they also give you internship placements. That is one. They also try to give you experience. So if you are supposed to spend little bit amount of money, but if you are getting a good deal out of it, I will always say go for it. I will always suggest you that you go for it. Okay. So the thing is, so we have got Thakur College that has got very good infrastructure they have got a very good studio. We have got MET College Banter that has got very good studio infrastructure. We have got Whistling Woods, which is again another big college, has a very big infrastructure, and plus they have got a very good placement cell. Yes. Then if you wish to learn graphic designing, then you should go to there is an institute in Mumbai known as Ecole Intuit Lab, which is at Worli. So Ecole Intuit is a part of French School of Design. It is connected directly with French School of Design. Even the faculties over there are from France. So there are so many such examples that you will find around Mumbai, and they have got actual real studio setup where they train you how to draw, design, where they train you how to do film editing, where they train you animation. Similarly, there are so many independent institutes like Shimaru. Shimaru gives training in video editing. Okay. Similarly, Annapurna Film Studios at Hyderabad. Annapurna Film Studio also has its own Annapurna College. Annapurna Institute बोल के हैदराबाद में, it is owned by Nagarjuna family. They give you very good film training and film, what you call related courses where you can graduate, and also you can also get diploma. That is one. So all these things are very important for you to understand what kind of college that you should go into, that gives you the right kind of training. Similarly, if you wish to learn law, you better go to a college that has a very good law infrastructure. If you wish to learn MBBS, you go into college where there is a proper hospital. That's why mostly MBBS colleges, they have got they are not just hospitals, they are also medical colleges. Many medical colleges are actual live hospitals where students are getting live training. So always remember this: whichever colleges you wish to go to study, select a college which has the infrastructure for you to get hands-on training into. Don't get into a business making college that only teaches you from textbook. Don't do that. That will be the biggest mistake of your life you will make. Yes, go to college that give you exposure. That is always my suggestion. Yes, and then so question is, how do you search for college? Well, you have to start searching this college on Google. You have to start Googling out. Don't type top 10 BMM college, top 10 BMS college. Don't type like that. Type colleges with media infrastructure, institutes with business infrastructure, institutes with best faculties. This is how you are going to search for that field. Institutes with best faculties in management, institutes with best faculties in mass communication, institutes with best faculty in advertising. Okay, then design schools in India, or design schools in Mumbai, or design schools in Hyderabad, design schools with best studio infrastructure, animation schools with best animation and computer infrastructure, filmmaking schools with best film infrastructure, best journalism schools in India with best infrastructure. Look at the word infrastructure, best instruments. You start searching. Also, there are platforms. You can also take help of platforms like Quora, Quora. Quora website में आपको बहुत सारी चीजें students they ask questions about different institutes. आपको वो सब institutes के बारे में review भी मिल जाएगा. आपको उनके बारे में answers भी मिल जाएंगे. Also check out Google. Google search में there is also called as Google review. Many other people have given their own review about that institute. Always go through Google reviews about each and every college that you are joining in. Is this clear? As I said again, don't fall into the trap of colleges where they will charge you money but they will not give you any training. Always go for colleges where even if they charge you extra amount of money, but they have studios and they have got faculties coming from the industry and training you. That's the right place for you, because only there you will develop a skill. Remember this. Is that clear? With that said, I hope my session was insightful to you. My talk about this topic was very insightful to you. Thank you so much. See you next time.